Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use bold option in Google Sheets. So, bold option it is the option that makes the characters or the text in your document darker and heavier than normal. So that is called the bold font. So to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my Google Drive. Now let's open this expense Excel sheet. So it has the name, the month, the amount, the type or the date. So what I can do is to make the text bold. Let's say I want to make this row like this single spreadsheet bold. I just need to click on the bold button. So now this text is heavier than the others. Now instead of doing this manually for every of this column, I can just select this row, the entire row, and then just click on bold once. Now it will unbold everything, and if I click on bold again, now it looks like a proper heading because now the text are now darker and thicker from the remaining text. So this is how you can bold the text in Google Sheets. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to use the bold option in Google Sheets. So thank you for watching.